Hi guys, today we gonna learn how to make DIY easy paper flower sticks, make amazing paper flower simple paper craft. So you need some required materials. First you have to take 2 shape of color paper.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now cut it roundly by a scissor as like showing on the video. Keep your eyes carefully. Take its side and crease it roundly by a stick. Now keep creasing roundly. Glue its last corner to bind it. Take another sized paper and crease it roundly by a stick. Okay, now see how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this, you can make more DIY easy paper flower sticks, make amazing paper flower simple paper craft.